All right, everybody, here is Core Bites number 6. Make sure you make your corrections on your paper because remember, after we get to number 15, we're going to have a Core Bites quiz. All right, so your first one says there are blank groups of 5 that are in 30. Okay? So we're looking to see the number 30, and we want to know how many 5s there are. Okay? So if we say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay? So if you go back and add how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 groups of 5 and 30, and the way you can check yourself is by saying 6 times 5, 6 times 5 equals 30. Okay? That's how you know your answer. For the next one, number 2, you're going to divide 81 by 7. Okay? So you just write out 81. Okay, put 7 on the outside. 7 times what is close but not over 8? So you would say 7 times 1 gives you 7. You would subtract. 8 minus 7 is 1. Bring down your 11. Okay, you would say 7 times 1 again. 7 times 1 is 7. You would do your subtraction here. So if you had to regroup, so you would say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so you get 4. So your remainder for this one would be 4. So your answer is 11, remainder 4 for that one. For number 3, it says write 59 hundredths as a decimal. So to do that, you have to look at the denominator, which is 100. So you know there's going to be 2 decimal places there. And then you see your number 59. So you would write 59 and then put the decimal in front, and the way you would say that would be 59 hundredths, okay, because of the hundredth under it, okay? For the next one, do we want to know about the angles? So this is geometry. So if you look here, that is 90 degrees. Anything past that is obtuse because it's really wide. Anything less than that would be acute because it's so cute. It's such a cute little angle there. Okay, so the answer for this is that it is acute because it is less than 90 degrees. And then your last question for today asks you what type of triangle this is. So if you look at your angles, if it was a right angle, it would be 90 degrees somewhere. We don't see that, so it is not a right angle. Okay, and then let's see. Acute would be anything less, like we said earlier. And if we look, we don't see anything over that number, which would be, over the 90. So this one would be an acute angle. All right, guys, that's your answer. Let me know if you have any questions in class on Monday.